Best Fishing Kayaks. Are you looking for the best fishing kayaks? In this video we will look at 5 of the best fishing kayaks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. OldTown Sportsman BigWater ePDL Plus 132. The OldTown Sportsman BigWater ePDL Plus 132 is a high-performance pedal-powered fishing kayak designed for serious anglers who want efficiency, stability, and comfort on the water. Combining pedal propulsion with an electric assist motor, this kayak offers a versatile and effortless paddling experience, ideal for long fishing trips or covering large water areas with minimal fatigue. At 13 feet 2 inches in length, the BigWater ePDL Plus 132 provides ample space for gear, tackle, and accessories, making it a practical choice for extended fishing outings. Its wide, stable hull design ensures excellent balance and tracking, even in choppy conditions, which helps anglers stay steady while casting or reeling in fish. The kayak features OldTown's renowned pedal drive system, which allows hands-free propulsion using your legs. This system frees your hands for fishing, netting, or handling equipment without needing to stop or switch to paddles. What makes this model stand out is the addition of the ePDL Plus electric assist motor, a battery-powered system that can boost your pedaling power, especially useful when battling currents, wind, or when you want to conserve energy. Comfort is a top priority with a fully adjustable, elevated seat system that offers good back support and helps reduce fatigue. The kayak also includes multiple mounting points and storage options, such as gear tracks, a large tank well with a bungee system, and plenty of built-in rod holders, making it easy to customize your setup. Durability and ease of maintenance are also key, with a rugged rotomolded polyethylene hull that resists impact and abrasion. Overall, the OldTown Sportsman BigWater ePDL Plus 132 is a premium fishing kayak that balances power, stability, and comfort, providing anglers with a highly efficient platform to fish smarter and farther. Number 2. Wilderness Systems ATAK 120. The Wilderness Systems ATAK 120 is a top-tier, 12-foot sit-on-top fishing kayak designed to meet the demands of serious anglers seeking performance, comfort, and versatility on the water. Known for its innovative design and quality construction, the ATAK 120 combines speed, stability, and ample storage, making it an ideal kayak for freshwater and inshore saltwater fishing adventures. At 12 feet in length, the ATAK 120 strikes a perfect balance between maneuverability and tracking ability. Its sleek, narrow hull design is built for speed and efficiency, allowing anglers to cover more water quickly without sacrificing stability. This kayak excels in both calm lakes and faster-moving rivers, providing a smooth and responsive ride. Comfort is a priority in the ATAK 120 with its advanced Air Pro Max seating system that offers excellent support, adjustability, and breathability, perfect for long days on the water. The elevated seating position improves visibility and casting range, while ergonomic foot braces allow for a comfortable paddling or pedal-powered experience. Speaking of propulsion, the ATAK 120 features compatibility with Wilderness Systems pedal drive system, sold separately, providing hands-free movement that is a huge advantage for fishing. The kayak also has a well-thought-out layout for anglers, including multiple rod holders, gear tracks, and plenty of dry storage compartments, ensuring easy organization and quick access to tackle and equipment. Durability is assured with a tough, rotomolded polyethylene hull that can withstand rough conditions and accidental impacts. The kayak's large, stable platform offers excellent balance for standing or casting. Overall, the Wilderness Systems ATAK 120 is a premium fishing kayak built for anglers who demand speed, comfort, and versatility. Whether paddling or pedaling, this kayak provides an efficient, stable, and customizable platform to enhance your fishing experience. Number 3. Pelican Catch Classic. The Pelican Catch Classic Angler is a versatile, durable, and affordable fishing kayak designed for both beginners and experienced anglers. This sit-on-top kayak offers excellent stability and comfort, making it ideal for calm lakes, slow-moving rivers, and coastal waters. Constructed with Pelican's proprietary Ramex material, the Catch Classic Angler is lightweight yet remarkably tough, capable of withstanding bumps and scrapes typical in fishing environments. Its durable rotomolded polyethylene body ensures long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance. At 10 feet in length, this kayak strikes a perfect balance between portability and on-water stability. Its wide 34-inch beam provides excellent steadiness, allowing anglers to confidently stand or cast without worrying about tipping over. The open sit-on-top design allows for easy entry and exit, as well as plenty of legroom, accommodating paddlers of various sizes comfortably. The kayak features an adjustable padded seat with back support, enhancing comfort during long fishing sessions. The seat is also removable, giving users the option to convert it into a more open platform for fishing or additional gear space. Storage is well thought out in the Catch Classic Angler. It includes a large rear tank well with bungee cords, perfect for securing tackle boxes, coolers, or a crate. Additionally, there's a built-in cup holder and 2 molded-in rod holders, enabling hands-free fishing. An accessory mount is also included to attach fish finders, GPS units, or other gear. Its scupper holes provide excellent drainage, keeping the cockpit dry, and allow the kayak to self-bail in rough conditions. Overall, the Pelican Catch Classic Angler is a reliable and budget-friendly fishing kayak that offers exceptional value. Whether you're exploring local waters or targeting specific species, this kayak provides stability, comfort, and convenience for a productive and enjoyable fishing experience. Number 4. OldTown Topwater. The OldTown Topwater 120 PDL Angler Fishing Kayak is a versatile, high-performance pedal-driven kayak designed specifically for anglers who want to combine speed, stability, and hands-free maneuverability on the water. Perfect for freshwater fishing, this 12-foot kayak offers an ideal balance of comfort, efficiency, and functionality, making it a top choice for both beginners and experienced kayak fishermen. One of the standout features of the Topwater 120 PDL is its reliable pedal drive system. Unlike traditional paddle kayaks, this kayak allows anglers to propel themselves using their feet, freeing up their hands to focus on casting, reeling, and handling fishing gear. The pedal system provides smooth, quiet propulsion, which is invaluable for stealthy approaches to fishing spots. It also delivers impressive speed and control, making it easy to navigate through lakes, rivers, and calm coastal waters. Built with a rugged, durable polyethylene hull, the Topwater 120 PDL boasts excellent stability and tracking. Its wide beam ensures confidence even in choppy conditions, while the keel and rudder system give precise steering capabilities. This kayak's hull design balances speed and stability, allowing anglers to cover water quickly and comfortably. Angler-friendly features abound, including multiple flush-mounted rod holders, integrated gear tracks for mounting accessories, and a large rear tank well with bungee cords for storing tackle boxes or coolers. The adjustable, padded seat offers superior comfort during long fishing sessions, with good back support and multiple adjustment points. In summary, the OldTown Topwater 120 PDL Angler Fishing Kayak is a thoughtfully designed, pedal-powered fishing kayak that offers anglers a hands-free experience with excellent speed, stability, and customization options. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their fishing adventures with convenience and performance. Number 5. Wilderness Systems Radar 135. The Wilderness Systems Radar 135 is a premium sit-on-top fishing kayak designed to deliver exceptional stability, comfort, and versatility for serious anglers. At 13 feet 6 inches in length, this kayak strikes the perfect balance between maneuverability and tracking, making it ideal for both calm lakes and coastal waters. Built with durable rotomolded polyethylene, the Radar 135 offers long-lasting toughness to withstand rugged outdoor conditions while maintaining a lightweight profile for easy transport. Its sit-on-top design provides ample legroom and unrestricted movement, allowing anglers to cast and paddle comfortably for hours. One of the standout features of the Radar 135 is its wide, stable hull, which enhances balance when reeling in fish or standing to cast. This kayak features a spacious open cockpit with plenty of room for gear, tackle boxes, and personal items. Multiple built-in rod holders and accessory mounts ensure that your fishing setup is both organized and easily accessible. The kayak's elevated and adjustable Phase 3 Air Pro seating system offers superior comfort and support, reducing fatigue during long trips. This seat is breathable and quick-drying, perfect for wet environments. Additional features include ergonomic foot braces and ample storage space, including a large stern tank well with bungee rigging to secure extra gear or a cooler. The Radar 135 also boasts convenient carrying handles and scupper holes for quick drainage, keeping the cockpit dry and comfortable. Its performance-driven design makes it a favorite among anglers seeking a stable, comfortable platform for freshwater and saltwater fishing adventures. Whether you're targeting bass, trout, or saltwater species, the Wilderness Systems Radar 135 delivers reliability, comfort, and performance for the dedicated angler.